Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to download Google Chrome on your Mac. It's a really simple process, so let's get started. First things first, open your Safari web browser. You'll want to go to the Google search engine. Once you're there, just search for Google Chrome. It should be the top link, but I'll also leave a link in the description below for you to make it even easier. Once you're on the Google Chrome web page, click on Download Google Chrome. It should automatically recognize that you're on a Mac, and the download will start. After Google Chrome has finished downloading, click on the download icon in Safari. It's usually in the top right corner. Then, click on the Google Chrome.dmg file. Clicking on the DMG file will open up the installer. Now, all you need to do is drag and drop the Google Chrome icon into your Applications folder. After a few seconds, you should hear a little install noise, which means it's been installed onto your Mac. Now that it's installed, you can exit out of the Google Chrome installer. To open Google Chrome, use Spotlight Search. Just press Command and Spacebar, and then type Google Chrome. You can then open it up directly from the Spotlight results. You'll probably see a prompt saying that Google Chrome has been downloaded from the internet. That's perfectly normal, just click on Open. After a few seconds, Google Chrome should open up. Now, in my case, it's opened up with my previous settings because I had it installed before. For you, Google Chrome will open up in a brand new tab. You can then go ahead and start setting up and using Google Chrome just as you normally would. So that's it. That's how to install Google Chrome on your Mac. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tech for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.